Well, actually, what nobody knows or wants to admit, or a few people know, is the Trane Hyperion air handler that they all call plastic is actually metal.
Just that, is it the thin outside layer that's metal?
It's coated. No, the metal is inside. The outside is plastic or is composite. And when it first came out, the actual doors were completely plastic and composite, whatever, and they warped up and pulled off of the door switch, and they did pretty bad. But the Hyperion now is definitely a superior air handler. It's just expensive and cantankerous.
Man, you know what? There was one of them that was pretty small though, and I want to say that is it GAM 5 that was smaller?
GAM, yeah.
Yeah. And it was smaller than the other ones quite a bit.
It's gone.
Oh, yeah, that figures.
Yep.
Yeah, that figures.
Yep.
Let's get rid of that.
I think it had a PSC, didn't it? But or some of them did. The thing that made me sad to see that go away is it was the smallest, cheapest air handler with an EEV instead of a TXV, which would mean no fail.
Yeah, and then they had the TAM 4, as I recall. Didn't it have a PSC with an EEV too? Or am I remembering that correctly?
The TAM 4, which was long gone away. Yeah.
Oh,
GAF. He's right. James is right. The GAF. That's the one that's gone. The GAM may still be made, but the GAF is gone.
Maybe GAF was a small one, and because there was a few of them, because we put in quite a few forefront air handlers, American Standard or whatever.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I never had any problems with them. Never had to service them very often. They seemed like they were pretty good.
Yeah, they should have kept the GAF, but there again, times change, and I find it strange that there's so much pressure on the manufacturer to produce efficiency, but you can go install it in the middle of a bowl of spaghetti and nobody cares. So it has to make, X amount of SEER or whatever, but we don't care how you put it in. There's no ductwork restrictions. Of course, ductwork's not important, right? The airflow doesn't really mean anything to efficiency, does it?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's what they think.
Yeah.
So it just proves it's all just a racket money game. It's all just another branch of government. And plus, they want them to use less and less power so that they can keep adding more revenue without upgrading any power grids. Keep adding houses, keep building more houses, and
That's going to run out eventually, huh? If you want to watch more videos just like this one, click on this playlist right here. If you want to see our brand new video, click right here. If you want to find out more about the great sponsors that make this show happen, click up here. And to join our email list where I notify you when we're going live, click right here.